We're going to demonstrate what I call slight inversion. This is therapy for your back. I had sciatic nerve pain repeatedly for years, and 3 10-minute sessions of this cured me. If you move around on the side here just for a second, you'll see that this land slopes down.
Move around this.
And right in the middle of the slope, there's this little dip. And this dip creates this little bump right here that will keep me from sliding down the hill. And I'm going to put my rear end right there and let my lumbar go over this little bump. I'm going to lay here for about 3 minutes at a time without doing much of anything. The sun's not too bright, so I don't need to cover my eyes, just close them. It's important, close your eyes, don't look at anything. Let your consciousness control your breathing. This gives your subconscious a break. And not looking at everything and processing all that information gives your consciousness a break. From just concentrating on your breathing, you get into this deep relaxation. I've already felt my back pop twice, extending itself, without me having to do anything but wait.
Ace, stay.
After approximately 3 minutes, if you've been in pain, you'll start to relax, because the hardest thing to do when you're in pain is to lay down on a new position and get comfortable. But once you do get in this position, you will start to relax and get comfortable. Now that I've been here several minutes, I'm going to walk my shoulders down the hill a little bit so that my spine can continue to extend. Find a comfortable place for your arms, whatever's the most comfortable at the time. You don't want to do any work. Now it's time to concentrate on slightly exaggerated breathing. What this does, it expands your rib cage upward and outward. And when you breathe out, you just feel yourself sliding down the hill a little more every time. Okay. After 3 minutes of this, I'm going to start moving around again, just to let that spine naturally relax. And once I've felt myself really relax to a point of boredom, I'm going to start doing a few other exercises that I have not been able to do if I was in pain, such as leg raises. If you start out with both legs at the same time, it's going to hurt. It's going to compress your spine. So I do one at a time for a while. Once I get that limbered up a little, I'll do one, then the other. Once I got them both up, I can extend them out. I can bring them down halfway. It doesn't seem to hurt. You can really feel your spine getting comfortable. Then after I do this for so long, it seems like my consciousness has received such a good break from all that processing that I normally do, that my balance is better. My thoughts are clearer. Most yoga moves require you to use your elbows to get up, and then you brace off your back with your hands. However, I feel good enough to balance myself all the way up, not using my elbows and trying not to use my shoulders as much as possible, so that I'm on the back of my neck. I'm looking for full extension, and it feels so good. And then when I dismount, it's better to do this because you don't get compression of the spine. Thanks for watching.